Welcome, my friends. In this video, we're gonna solve the following integral. So we have the integral x times a square root of x minus 5 dx. This integral seems simple, but it requires integration by parts, because if you look at it, if you let u equals the function x minus 5, then the function, the derivative will be 1, so but it doesn't fit in this integral, so we will need integration by parts. Okay, so for integration by parts, let me tell you how I do it. First, you put dv on here, then underneath you put u, and then on the side you put v, and then on here you're gonna put here you're gonna put v, here you're gonna put du. The reason why I put it in this order is because if you go vertically, that's how you're gonna input it into the integration by parts theorem formula. Okay, so one of the things about integration by parts is that usually you let dv equals the one that is easy to integrate. So which one do you think is easy to integrate, x or x minus 5? And you also need to think about which one is more easy to differentiate. I know that x is easier to differentiate, so I'm gonna let u equals x. So what do you think du is? The derivative of x is gonna be 1 times dx. So I let the dv be the other one. So you have to fit this formula to make it easy for you. In this case, it was easy to differentiate x, so I just let u equals x. If you want to do the easier integration, you do dv. You're gonna put the easier integration here. Okay, so now the hardest part to do this one is just to okay, so now we're gonna integrate dv, but remember we have du, so that means that the last integral of the integration by parts formula is gonna be u. It's gonna be dv. You're gonna put b du. Okay. I'm sorry. It's gonna be the integration is gonna be of b is we're gonna integrate this first. Okay. So now what? Okay, we need to put this inside. So x minus 5, and of course this is an indefinite integral, so we're gonna have plus c, but we're not gonna use it right now, so let's put it like on the side. Okay, so x minus 5 dx. How would you integrate that? Of course you're gonna have to use substitution. So u equals x minus 5 du equals 1. So now that integral becomes u times 1/2, to the 1/2 du. Now we integrate that, that's gonna be equal to 2/3 u 3/2 plus c, and then that's gonna be equal to 2/3 x minus 5 3/2. Okay, so let's keep those things in mind. Now we're gonna do the integration by parts formula. So it says that so we're gonna take, so now we're gonna say the integral of x times the square root of x minus 5 dx. So that integral becomes u times b. So what is u? U is x. and b is this, x minus 5 to the 1/2. Then we're gonna do minus the integral of b, which is equal to 2/3 x minus 5 3/2 dx, because we have 1 times dx. Like I said, we're gonna do vertically, so this integral is vertically, so we're gonna do that times this, and here we're gonna do this times b, and here is gonna be this times this, so that's the vertical here. Okay, now that's equal to x minus 5 1/2. Actually 3/2, because look, this is gonna be 3/2 because the integral was 3/2, so x times, and then we're gonna put 2/3 on the front because that's what we found for b. Okay, so now this becomes 2/3 here, and then we'll do minus. Now we're gonna take the integral of this, so we're gonna do a similar thing. You will let u equals that we do power rule, and we're gonna get, so 3/2 plus, you do in the power rule, 3/2 plus 2/2, that's gonna give us x minus 5 5/2. Then we flip that, and that's gonna give us 2 times 2, that's 4, and then 5 times 3 15. So we get minus, and then that would be minus 4/15 x minus 5 to the 5/2, and that should give us the final answer. And of course, we don't forget that because this is a definite integral, we're gonna have plus c, so this will be our final answer. Make sure you check this, because one way to check this is you take the derivative and you should be able to get your initial product of the formulas of the functions. So looking at my notes, yes, I did it correctly. Okay, I tried this on mathematically and I didn't get the same answer, but I know I'm doing this by integration by parts, so double check this. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, my friends. See you guys later.